selling your shop and you're kind of on the fence and you would like to kind of look at what the benefits of selling your shop can look like. So I feel like I am the poster child of why the hell did you sell your shop? I was 42 years old at the time when Consolidation entered the market where my shops were. That's in Maryland. And honestly, I in no way felt like I was in a position that I could sell in a financial position. At the time, my former husband was very sick and in and out of the hospital. My son has been chronically ill his whole life, and I was basically taking care of the whole family, keeping the shops going, keeping the oil in the engine, if you will. And Consolidation hit the market. I kept telling the consolidators, go away, go away, go away. And then one of my really good friends said, Laura, you really need to take a moment and listen because this is what your life could look like. So if you own your real estate, a lot of shop owners find that they make more money in the sale of their shop from the rental income of their property. So most shop owners, when they sell, and we encourage our shop owners to really consider leasing their building back to their buyer to have passive income post-sale. And most of those shop owners that do this end up making more money on the rental income of their real estate than they did as a shop owner. So many times it actually makes great sense to go ahead and sell, realize the most craziest offers that are out there in today's market, get that cash money, get the long-term lease along with a lot of other great incentives, and move on to the next chapter of life, whatever that looks like, whether it's a 2.0 career, whether it's retirement, maybe it's a little break because you're so burnt out from dealing with insurance companies and all the other drama of owning a shop. Trust me, I remember. It's been 10 years, but it's burnt in my brain. I did not forget. So if you'd like to talk a little bit more about this and what this might look like and what potentially your life could look like, we can help paint a mental picture for you of what your life could look like post-sale. And then you can make a decision if this makes sense for you or not. I'm Laura Gay with Consolidation Coach. Please give me a call at 301-399-8675 if you'd like to hear more. Thanks.